is Mahadevan Mudaliar and I work for RPG Group of Companies. Today I attended Mr. Parag Gadhia's NLP workshop and it was really a great workshop. I have been reading about NLP for quite some time, but this workshop was made so simple by Parag that it really helped me in understanding the basic principles of NLP. The exercise conducted during the workshops were really good and it really made me experience the power of NLP. I wish him all the best and all success in all his workshop, and I recommend you to definitely attend his workshop. Thank you very much.